All right, so here is the case right here. I did rip into it because it had a really tight fit and it was really hard to take out. Let's get into it. They have many different colors available. I went for the black with carbon fiber. They also have multiple colors with carbon fiber. They even have like a colored rim with a clear back or whatever. I'll show you what that looks like once I receive it. This is my iPhone 13 Pro here, which is what we're going to be testing it out on. I think this case would look a lot nicer with a silver with a space gray iPhone. I do have the Sierra blue, so it won't look as good, but I do have another case coming which will look good with it. I mean, it doesn't look bad for it not being the right color. It does have a little bit of a transparency, so you could be able to see the Apple logo and stuff like that, so that's really nice. The buttons are very flush. They have like a little slight raise, but they feel really nice. Everything on this case feels nice. Buttons, cutouts are perfectly, it feels really good. You have a nice grasp of it. Has a pretty nice lip for the camera protection as well. I'm going to be using this for 24 hours like I said. This does have a really good grip compared to the Slipcase one, just slightly better. It does have some raisivity on the screen, so you can put it on either ends. It won't really scratch up your screen or your camera. But everything has cutouts. It's really easily accessible. The buttons work really well. They're very silent now. All right, we just got the other case, so we're gonna go and unbox it real quick. So they have many different colors of this. This is a transparent version. It reminds me of the EXO series from Slipcase kind of, except it's a full plastic back, which is gonna be good for MagSafe use. So this is the clear case you can see. I have the other case right here. I've been using it for about 3 days now. I do really like this case. It has a nice snug fit to it. It feels really good in the hands. It has really good protection. It doesn't add a whole lot of weight. It just feels really, really good. Let's go and try the other case on. We're gonna see how this one looks as well. Wow, well that actually looks really good. So this is a specific color that will look really good for the specific blue. I mean for the Sierra blue. Looks good, feels good. It has more grip actually. The grip on the top as well as the bottom. So this one has a little bit more grip on the phone case than this one. So if you want more grip but nicer look, technically both of these are nice. I don't know which one I'm gonna rock. I might rock the blue one for now. I'm definitely gonna have to rock it for a day or two just to see which one I like more. But so far I'm liking both of them. Both of them are MagSafe compatible. There we go, MagSafe compatible. Both of them are, so that's really nice.